I'm going to show you how to make the easiest and most delicious slow cooker chicken satay you've probably ever done in your life. Now, I'm not exaggerating when I say it's the easiest. I don't think there's any chopping to do, no pre-cooking. We just bung everything into the slow cooker. I mean, you can't get much easier than that, can you? So for this, we're going to add in a can of coconut milk. You've got to use the full fat stuff because the light stuff is prone to splitting in the slow cooker and you don't want that to happen. Mix up your corn flour and a little bit of water to stop it clumping. Peanut butter, I'm using crunchy, it can be smooth, it really makes no difference. Some crushed or finely chopped garlic along with your red Thai curry paste. I find this isn't that hot, which is fine when I'm cooking for the kids, but if you want a bit more heat you can add in some chili flakes or chili powder, soy sauce, lime juice, and then the ingredient lots of people turn their nose up, but it's really important for adding that depth of flavour and is key to a lot of Thai cookery, and that's fish sauce. And then a little bit of sugar for a tiny bit of sweetness just to take the edge off. Get your whisk in there, mix it all up. It doesn't need to be completely broken down because that'll happen, well, the coconut milk will break down completely once it's heated up. Add in your chicken breast. You don't need to add any seasoning at this stage because I think there should be enough salt from the fish sauce and soy sauce, but we can test it near the end. And then for cooking, we can do 2 hours on high or 4 hours on low.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
Once the timer goes, just get your forks in and shred it all up. I find that this is a great way just for all the chicken to really soak up that sauce. You could serve the whole chicken breast, it's totally up to you. Garnish with something green, serve it with some rice. I'm going to use some coriander and give it a wee squeeze of lime juice. And as always, thank you for watching this video. If you'd like the full recipe and loads more, you can get them inside my Food for Fitness recipes app. There's a link to download it in the description below. See ya!